Hi, I'm Bella from the customer care team here at Herb UK. I'm here to teach you everything there is to know about the Tints of Nature 3-in-1 Lightener Kit. The 3-in-1 Lightener Kit is capable of full head lightening, highlights or balayage, so you can achieve any look you want from the comfort of your home. One of the biggest differences that sets our kit apart from conventional bleaches is that the 3-in-1 Lightener Kit is ammonia-free, with natural ingredients for a gentler application. We use a potassium derivative in place of ammonia, which allows the Lightener Kit to gently but intensely lighten the hair up to 7 shades. Some of the natural ingredients in the kit include aloe and green tea to moisturise the hair and protect the scalp, fennel seed extract to soothe and calm, as well as a wheat protein and black oat to help strengthen the hair and protect against damage. Plus, all of our products are cruelty-free and vegan. The 3-in-1 Lightener Kit isn't just a gentler option for your hair, but it's also gentle on the planet. Our boxes are made from 100% recycled cardboard and our bottles are made from recycled waste plastic. For more information on our environmental mission, be sure to check out our video on our beliefs. Now, let's get hands-on with the Lightener Kit. Your 3-in-1 Lightener Kit includes a sachet of the ammonia-free lightening powder, a bottle of cream activator to mix with the powder. The lightener won't start working until these two components have been mixed. A bottle of protective oil to mix with the lightener, a sachet of hydrate shampoo and conditioner to use after lightening, a mixing tray, a tinting brush, a pair of protective gloves and a cap to wear whilst the lightener develops. First, put on the protective gloves and mix the lightening powder, cream activator and protective oil in the mixing tray with the brush to create a smooth paste. Next, apply the mixture after deciding whether to follow the instructions for the full head, root touch-up, highlight or balayage application, or freestyling it your own way. Cover the hair with a development cap provided for the duration of the development time. After a maximum of 45 minutes, remove the development cap and apply some warm water to rinse the lightener out of the hair. Wash using the hydrate shampoo sachet. Once the hydrate shampoo has been rinsed out, apply the hydrate conditioner. Comb through the hair and leave for a minimum of 5 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Stand back and admire. As an additional step, our structure treatment can be used before and after lightening the hair to help maintain the hair's protein levels and protect against damage. Just lather the treatment up on the hair and leave it for at least 15 minutes before rinsing to ensure the best possible results. Make sure you perform a skin sensitivity test before every application. With the Lightener Kit, you only have to use the oil to perform your test. And if you're a little unsure on your result and just want to see how it looks before committing to a full application, we recommend performing a strand test. Just follow the instructions linked to the video description. Thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully I've helped shed some light on the 3-in-1 Lightener Kit. To learn more about our products and meet the rest of the team, please check out our other videos.